What up, guys? So here I am at the Pro S Tuners to get my sway bar installed, and I have a major infection in my jaw. It's killing me. The only reason I came here is because it's only 2 miles away from my doctor visit. Luckily I got some painkillers, tramadol, I got some 800 milligrams of ibuprofen, and I got some amoxicillin. Hopefully that'll take care of it, and then I'll be able to go to the dentist and spend who God knows much how. Anyways, what I wanted to film is the underneath of the car right now. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Oof, that just pulled my neck. Ugh. Take a look at that flimsy sway bar on there. It looks like it's 19. It doesn't look very big. And then here is the Whiteline box. I have not taken out, but once they get it lifted, I'm gonna film a little bit of what's going on if I can, and it should be interesting. And I will let you know how my jaw is doing. It's terrible. I think I ate a piece of chewy steak and it just grinded into my pretty much 80% gone molar, and it just infected it somehow. That's why I never eat anything other than filet mignons. It's not because I'm being a picky snob. It's just that filet mignon is the only steak that I can actually eat without hurting myself. Because if I have to chew and chew and chew, problems. Alright guys, peace, till next time. What up, guys? So here we are. The car is pretty much done. My jaw is absolutely killing me right now. As you can see, this side is sort of numb. It doesn't want to do anything. It's like, it's just fucked. It's just, I can't wait till Walgreens texts me the prescriptions. And hopefully I can get some relief from this pain, guys, because this is absolutely excruciating. It's really just as bad as my arm. It's just as bad, just in a different way, because it's just right there. And like, I mean, I would prefer not to talk. And the car is just about done. And I really like the Whiteline sway bar, the way they got these extra connecting rods, which other companies don't have. I think it's honestly for like extra stability, so it's gonna seem stiffer with a less thick anti-sway bar, so, or sway bar, however you want to put it. But other than that, my first impressions of driving it will be very shortly. Peace. That's close. Alright guys, so here we are, the very first drive with the Whiteline installed. Straight line, I can't really tell. A little bit actually. Got a corner coming up here. I think I gotta switch to my map because I'm not sure how to get home. My jaw is killing me. It's literally throwing me off here. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, me likey. Alright guys, my first 95 on-ramp with the new Whiteline sway bar. Trying to get some dang speed around it, but there's idiots in front of me. What else is new? Oh my Lord. I felt serious grip. Get off my exit, I'll also be able to tell if your grip's good. All I care about right now is my mouth getting some relief, and Walgreens hasn't processed my orders yet, so 2 hours later, still not processed. A 22 millimeter. I did not get anything bigger. I felt that a 22 would be fine, based on the stock end links. But people don't tell you that Whiteline will also include these braces, which other companies don't. So whether or not that actually affects the end links, I'm not sure. But it can't hurt to get really good end links. It can't hurt, but you know, that'll be something I worry about later. If something happens, something happens. So far, taking a corner is completely different now, man. That rear ender really wants to dig in now. So the main bolt-on mods, what is definitely absolutely necessary for WRX? I'd probably say the sway bars. Maybe not necessarily the front, but hey, if the back's that good, then... But I heard the front's already sort of beefy, so the rear, cold air intake with the tune, a bushing for the stick shift. And a lot of the guys at my shop don't like Perrin because like apparently they bought motor mounts from Perrin that have broke, but not much can go wrong with this little bushing. I mean, it's just a machined bushing, and it's metal, and I looked at it, it's high quality. Certainly better than the Subaru stock little rubber bushing. So the sad thing is I'm gonna have to go home and just wait until my prescription's ready, and until then just suffer with this frickin' tooth pain. Oh my god. And then of course it's a green light, but there's people walking across. and they're going so slow. All right, guys, peace out.